Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley. So today we're going blonde. I did receive this beautiful wig from a company by the name of Yolissa. Yolissa and I have worked together a few times, so you can definitely check out my videos with them on my channel. But today we are going for a blonde look. So we have a little bit of the 613 blonde here. We have the nice lighter chocolate brown root, and it definitely has a beautiful wave pattern with the brown install. So you're gonna see what the wig looks like on when we first start. It does definitely give not woman of color friendly, but as you guys can see, we're gonna slay, we're gonna install, we're gonna pull it off, and when it's all said and done, it's super beautiful. Like, if you're not working, why would you do all of that? Being a mom and having kids is so ghetto. I love it, but it's definitely the ghetto. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. You're gonna see how we got this look. Gonna keep it quite simple and sweet. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, love bugs. So you guys know the drill. It is Thursday and I have somewhere to be. And like I always tell you guys, I love being able to do my makeup and do my hair every day. So I did the makeup off camera. My makeup, can't remember the last time I did a makeup tutorial was, but my makeup honestly is the same. I love the NARS foundation, which I'm thinking I'm gonna grab a shade darker for the sun, or for the summer. But yeah, I'll do maybe in a vlog coming up. But today I am working with Yolissa. They sent me over actually a super fun one, and there's some goodies inside, but we'll chat about that in just a few. This is the beauty here, and as you guys can see, she has a nice like body wavy texture, and we are going blonde. Yes, we are going blonde. Kind of nervous on a date, kind of nervous, because this one definitely is a lot on the lighter side. They have many different options on their website, so if this is not your favorite, you can check out my channel. I think I have a couple of other videos with this company, and you can see some other options for really nice wigs. But I think I'm going to execute her. We are going Barbie blonde, but with highlights. So in the inside, you do get plenty of lace. I would say this one is about a 13 by 6, if I am mistaken. Of course, as always, all of the details are in the description box with a direct link to the wig. So let's go ahead and figure out how we want to style her. So we're gonna keep the integrity of the waves. Look how beautiful when you comb it out. It's absolutely beautiful. A lot of times with blonde, we get nervous that it's gonna get stiff, or it's just gonna be very hard and crunchy and over processed. But I don't think we're gonna have that issue with this one. I've been loving, you guys know, or you guys should know by now, that I love black. My collection of flat irons are all black. It's just black, it's just such a vibe for me. So I'm gonna introduce some fun colors, some pink, some silver rhinestones and stuff like that. But black is just me and my vibe. So I don't know why, but I love it. Black is beautiful, baby. You guys are like, what happened to the vlogs? The vlogs were coming. What happened? The vlog was good. Y'all, I've been sick like 3 times since the last time you seen me. Cody started her activities, and needless to say, we've been sick 3 times. So I'm gonna prep the wig and the hairline. I'm just gonna add my shaper spray along the parting, along the front. Get it really good in there. This is better done on a mannequin head, but we are here. I'm actually gonna pull out my mannequin head because I do feel like my installs overall are just more neat and detailed when I prep my wigs on the wig head. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference with the hairline. That just prevents you from having to use the electric hot comb along the hairline. You guys know I'm probably going to go in again, but it just makes it nice and smooth before you put it on. But now let's go ahead and put her on. So we're just going to take and cut off the excess lace around the ears. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes.
Beautiful hair, and I love the fact that it's nice and full. It's definitely not skimpy, and it's not stiff by a long shot. Let me show you the back.
Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one. So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it 'cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you.
So I'm gonna go ahead and bond her down. I told the kids I would take them to pick up some Chick-fil-A, and then they're going to Knott's with my parents tomorrow. So I have to go and get them some sunglasses and try to find them some cute little tennis shoes, because all they have is Vans. And I feel like I always have them in Vans, but sometimes Cody complains that her feet hurts when we put on Vans. So I'm gonna try and grab them a pair of shoes, because all they have is like Vans and Crocs. Well, Diamond has comfortable shoes, but they're like school shoes. And then he has Jordans. He has no like in between. His school shoes are dirty. His Jordans, we really don't want to get them dirty. And then he has a whole collection of Vans and slides. So we'll see what we can find. But I'm going to use my handy dandy blow dryer. These will be back in stock soon, so stay tuned for that.
Ready for a girlfriend, no, 'cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no, so you make up shitty reasons for, want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just...
Wax stick is from bedeckbeauty.com. Make sure you get you some, linked down below. This one does have a darker root, but it's just not like chocolate brown dark root, like, you know, brown girl dark root. So this one for sure is going to be out of our comfort zone, and that's okay. We like that. If your hair has flyaways in the parting and it feels like every time you try to part it's not moving, go ahead and add the wax stick with what you have, and then it'll be so easy to separate and part the hair the way you want. Quick pro tip.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm done, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating. Wanna see.
So I want to break some of this up. I feel like the dark root is amazing at helping it to be a little bit more brown girl friendly, but it just isn't giving what I want it to give, mainly because you really can't see the parting. So let's start there. I feel like depending on the wig and the lace just doesn't always match. What am I trying to say? The powder that I use doesn't always match. It's not always the right powder. So I bought the same ones that I like already in a few different shades to see, you know, like I said, on different days, different things are better. So I'm gonna try this one. I think this is my first time trying this color. Okay, so that is too subtle. This is also why we a lot of the times don't try new things, because for this lace and for like this color, it's a little too nude. Like it blends too well. Is my baby home? Time. Oh, they gave you a shot? Where they give you a shot? You didn't cry. It's so good. Mommy and Daddy so proud of you.
Where did you get shot?
Probably in her leg. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, really quickly, while the hair is still fresh, my husband and my youngest daughter just got home. My daughter had a doctor's appointment like 2 hours away where we used to live, and my husband was gracious enough to take her because he got me back sick. So I didn't really want to go that far feeling like this, but even though I feel better. But anyways, this is the look. Now you can definitely go in and curl her up. I'm going to keep her au naturel. Now one thing you can do is add a little bit of an oil sheen, but you do have to be careful with the oil because blonde hair tends to get or to look a little bit more oily a lot faster. I always find that with my hair, once I install it, the very front gives like it needs a little bit of touch up, but you can push it behind your ears or whatever suits you. But I just feel like there's so much body and funness in the hair that you really don't have to go in and style it. Just install and go. I thought I had something on my white shirt. But this one did come from Yolissa. As I mentioned, all the details are in the description box. But let's see the stickers on this one. This one here is 24 inches, 180% density, and I got a size medium cap. I definitely like the way the medium cap fits. I feel like if I got a small cap, it might be too small, just because this one didn't afford me the lace to come front like ear tabs, which you guys know is perfect for me. I don't really like the ear tabs, but if I would have gotten a small, there definitely would not have been like any space to do ear tabs. It would have went straight behind my ear. I think my head is getting bigger, if that's possible. And then also inside there is a pack of 3D mink lashes, a little piece of elastic. You can use this. This is really great for like tying down your hairline to melt the lace. A little red and like nude tan twilly. You have one of those satin caps. It has the Yolissa logo on the front and it goes around and it kind of like matches with their stuff. A white edge slash baby hairbrush, and then a pack of wig caps. So that was a great little install, something great and fun for the warmer months. I definitely am going to be pulling her out. Right now I'm rocking my cute little two-piece from Boohoo. It's the jacket and then the sweat shorts. I'm gonna fall. The jacket and the sweat shorts. And super cute. I got it in like, I think it was all three colors, the tan, this like sage green color, and the black, and it works so much better than my big baggy t-shirts that I've been loving so much. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm in my master bathroom, and the kids are literally on the other side of the door waiting to go shopping and go eat. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little install. Goes very nice and clean with my makeup and my look. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Smooches.